Hello, everyone. My name is Luis Caloca, Director of Admissions and One-Stop Operations here at College of Western Idaho. Last month, I introduced you to a tool called My Plan, something that helps you figure out perhaps whether or not you're in the right major, or if you're undecided, how to pick a major. This month, I'm going to introduce you to the Idaho Labor Market Index. I love this tool. We're going to find a lot of information to answer some of the questions you might have in terms of what type of careers are out there and the number of people that are currently employed in those particular careers, as well as how much money they make, because I know that question is important to many of you. So let's get started. If you go to lmi.idaho.gov, you will find a lot of information. Today we're going to look here under Research and Analytics, and we're going to go into this Wages and Occupations link. The great thing about this tool is that you can look at specific regions of Idaho. Given that we live in the Treasure Valley, today we're going to look at, if I go here to MSA, we're going to look at Boise City MSA. I will unclick everything else, click on Boise City. And though I can look at the entire chart, today we're just going to pick a couple of careers and occupations to look at. So I want to make sure everything is unclicked first. We'll click on our search button. And let's check out how many people are currently employed as accountants. Apply. And we see that here in Boise City MSA, which includes Ada and Canyon County, there are approximately 2,370 accountants. So there's a lot of opportunity out there. And to start off with no experience, the entry-level wage is $42,110. You can also find more information as to what your wage growth might look like over the years. So, on average, accountants make almost $60,000 a year, and the highest earners earn over $100,000 a year. We'll look at one more. You can also become a surgical technologist here at CWI. So let's see what that might look like. So in this particular instance, we don't have the number of individuals that are employed, but we do have wage information. So we can see we can expect to make almost $40,000 a year coming out of CWI with no experience, and we can see that what our growth looks like over the course of the years. So the highest level earners make $73,000 a year. So this is just one tool of many that you can utilize to answer any questions you have about careers that require college level education. We'd be more than happy to address any other questions you might have. We look forward to hearing from you. If you do need to reach us, we can be reached at 208-562-3000, or you can also reach us at onestop@cwi.edu.